Hello, my name is Alex. Today, I will be showing you how to make cookies. Chocolate chip cookies, that is. And let's get started with the ingredients. So first, you want to get 2 sticks of unsalted butter, like these ones. Next, you want 280 grams of all-purpose flour, right here. And then you're gonna want 3 grams of baking soda, which is right here. That's what it looks like. Next, you're gonna want 4 grams of salt. Right here is my salt. Next, you're gonna want 140 grams of sugar. Well, brown cinnamon sugar or brown sugar, whatever. It's the same thing, I think. Then you're gonna want 2 eggs. Right there. Then you're gonna want 10 million vanilla extracts. Right here. Well, milliliters, but 140 grams of brown sugar. Right there, even though I already showed it. Next you're gonna want 225 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These are super good. Next, you're gonna want corn sea salt, and you're gonna want some coarse sea salt to sprinkle on your cookies after you're done. So first we're gonna wanna get our oven heated up. So we're gonna put it bake 325. And then there. So next what you wanna do is take your eggs, vanilla, and this sugar. You don't want the brown sugar. First, take the eggs. No. You want to put the shells in the trash can so you don't get, I forgot what it's called, salmonella. After you're done putting your eggs in, you're going to want to wash your hands. So next you want to take your granulated sugar and then put it in to the mixing bowl. Next, you're going to want to take your vanilla extract and then pour it in. So next, what you're gonna want to do is put your mixer to 2, and then you want to make sure that you let your butter sit out for a little bit to make it get nice and soft. And then also, you're gonna want to have a parent with you, because why not? And then you're going to want to put in 3 sticks of butter. I would recommend have your parent do this, just so your finger doesn't get caught in mixer. And next, you're gonna wanna put everything but your flour and your chocolate chips. So, pour everything nice and slow. We're gonna do the baking soda.
Okay, get the next one.
Next, you want to get your salt. Next, you're gonna want to do the flour. Make sure not to dump it in all at once. Do it slowly. So finally, what you're gonna want to do is hold your chocolate chips like this, so you don't want to get all of them in. Like about this much should be good. And then you want to pour them into this. And there you go. That is your mixture. So next, you want to get a tablespoon to scoop out your cookie mix. So you're going to take a little bit. And you're going to want to space them out. So then they don't cook into each other. So next, you're gonna want to put these cookies in the oven for 13 to 16 minutes. And you're gonna want to make sure that your parent helps you with this because the oven is gonna be super hot. Our cookies are ready to come out of the oven. They're very hot, so you better make sure that a parent is around to help you take them out. They smell delicious. If a few of them get put together, it's fine because you can just cut it with a knife. Next, you're gonna want to get your coarse salt. Sprinkle just a tiny bit on each cookie.
Around the outside too.
So the reason why you're gonna put the coarse salt on it is to make the chocolate stand out more in the flavor. So we're gonna let them sit, and I'll be back in a couple minutes to let you know how they taste. All right, it's time to try this cookie. It's actually good. Bye.